Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is some solar light. But first thing first, let's actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like and what comes out the package first. So when you guys open the package itself, this is basically what it looks like inside. So this one actually comes in a 2 set, so they give you 2 of these solar lights that you can actually mount it on the ground or you can actually mount it on the wall. So let's take it out first. So here is one of them. And then here is the stick that you can use to stick it on the ground. Here is the second one. And that one also has a stick to stick on the ground and whatnot. And then in the very bottom, they do provide you a little instruction card to teach you guys how to use it and all the different functionality that's on the product itself. And that's basically everything that's in the package itself. Now let me actually show you guys the actual product itself. Since they're both the same thing, I'll just show you guys one of them. So let's start with the actual sticks itself. So as you can see, this is what it looks like for here. And then here's the other part right here. So all you guys have to do is just snap this part together like this. And you guys want to put the actual solar light onto here. And then just stab it onto the ground so you can put it onto your grass or whatever. And if you guys don't want to use that option, you guys always have these mounting accessories that they provide you that you can actually mount it onto the wall. So you guys can either mount it on the wall or you guys can stab it on the ground. But let me show you guys the actual product itself. Here is basically what the product looks like, as you can see. So here we have the solar panel, and this is where actually we use to actually charge up the product. If you guys take a look right here at the light that they use, the light that actually comes out from here is not a bright white light. It's actually like a yellowish light, which I'll show you guys in a second. On the back part, you can see that this is where you can actually stab the actual part like this. Just like this, onto the actual ground like that if you guys want to. Or you can adjust it like however you guys want to, like this. That's pretty cool. There's this little mounting area that you can actually loosen or tighten it depending on how you guys want to use it. And also on this part right here, if you guys want to, you guys actually mount it using the mounting tube right here, if you guys can see. So this is how you guys can mount it on the wall, or you guys can actually mount it on the ground like this. So what's really cool about these products or these solar light is the fact that since they're using like a solar panel to actually charge up the product and use it, you guys don't actually need to put in like a battery or anything to power it up. All you guys have to do is just leave it outdoors and it will actually charge in the daylight. But when it's at nighttime, there's no light, they actually would turn on the product. It won't charge the product anymore because it can't get any sunlight on the actual solar panel itself. And then another thing that's really cool about this product is the fact that it's waterproof. So if you guys put this outdoor when it's like rainy or whatever, you guys don't have to worry about it because it won't get damaged or anything from the actual rain itself, since it doesn't use like any battery or anything, and it uses like a solar panel to charge up the product. And if you guys take a look right here, there's a little button right here to actually activate the product. So you guys want to turn it off or on. There's actually 2 different modes. There's a low light and there's a high light. So once you guys click it one time to actually activate the low light, and you guys press it a second time, then it actually go to the high light. If you guys press it 3 times, then you guys can turn off the product. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let me actually show you guys a quick test of the product first to show you guys how it works when it's on or off. So let me actually turn off all the light real quick so you can see what I'm talking about, because there's too much sunlight going on right now, so it won't turn on. So you guys can see right now it's like pitch dark, you guys can't even see me at all. So let me turn on the light. So I just press down the button right here. It turns on the light, if you can see. But once you get any sunlight on the actual solar panel itself, it will turn off. So let me show you guys what I mean when I turn on the light. Alright, so you can see the product turn off because of it's getting like sunlight or light from the actual ring light that I'm using right now. But you guys can see that if there's no like light directly shining on the actual solar panel itself, it will actually turn off. So you can see I covered up the actual solar panel so there's actually getting no sunlight onto it. So it turns on, but when I let go, then it actually turns back off. You guys can see, because it's getting the sunlight from here. But let me turn off the light one more time just to show you guys how bright it can get from the high and the low setting. So it's kind of hard for me to show you guys how bright it can get, but just use it as a reference right here, if I can say. So this is the high light right here, and this is the low light. So definitely a huge difference. You can see how bright it is. The low light is definitely not as bright, but the high light is definitely super bright, if I can see. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. One last thing that I want to mention about this product is the fact that you probably should know that this is not like a solar or motion sensor kind of light. So if you guys are looking for like a motion sensor light, this is not the one for you guys. I did review a motion sensor light before in the past, so if you guys want to go check that out, I'll put the links in the description box down below so you can go check it out. But that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did a quick unboxing and testing on the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys need one or want one of these. Especially if you have to try to like brighten up your room, your outdoor patio or your garden or whatever. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a light that can be solar charged, so you guys don't have to pay for electricity bill or whatever, and it's directly just using the solar panel to charge the product, and you guys save a lot of money that way too. It's also a cool addition if you guys want to put it onto your walkway, like near the grass area, so just stab it onto the ground, so then you guys can see where you guys are going at night or whatever. But definitely one concern of doing that is probably that people will steal it really easy, not like if you guys were to mount it on the wall. So that's definitely one thing to kind of consider as well. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have